Hi everyone, my name is Rutul Manani and this is my Capstone project. It's called SpendSmart. SpendSmart is a mood-aware gamified experience tracking web application designed for students and young adults who want to understand not just what they spend but why they spend. The goal is to help users recognize emotional spending habits like buying out of stress or boredom and to build better financial routines through fun challenges and positive reinforcement. The problem I wanted to solve is emotional spending when people make purchases driven by emotions rather than their needs. This often leads to regret and poor financial habits. So SpendSmart tackles this by combining expense tracking, mood logging, and gamification. Uh, every time a user logs an expense, they'll see a record of their mood, which helps them identify emotional patterns over time. So I've made the SpendSmart with Monstack. It uses React and Tailwind CSS for the front end, Node.js and Express for the back end, MongoDB Atlas for the database, and it's hosted on Render for the back end and Vercel for the front end. So how it starts is by registering the user. So the user can hit on get started free, just put their details, which is name, email address, and a password. So this would be the interface for a new user that has just been registered. So this is the dashboard of the SpendSmart. It shows the challenge section, expense section, a progress section, and the spending history section. So they can hit on the challenge, select a challenge, and start tracking their expenses for that specific challenge. So suppose the user selects avoid traveling today and starts the challenge. So it will start this 24-hour cycle and show the streaks that he has maintained for that for the challenge. So suppose I track an expense today and I come tomorrow again to do the other challenge. So it will show the streak for 1 days. Uh, I'll add a expense. I'll enter the amount. I'll select the kind of mood I have right now for this expense. So uh, it gives more points um, like adds the points and adds the progress for positive moods, which is happy, excited, or relaxed, and deducts points for the negative mood. So suppose I select happy, I select an category, and I log an expense. So it will increase my progress bar by 10% as it was a positive experience, and it will show in my history section as well. So suppose if I track the wrong expense, if I want to edit this expense, I can even do that. So the CRUD functionality works here. I can just save that expense and it will change the amount from 12 to $11. Even if I want to delete the entry, I can delete it. So the user will also earn badges on completing the challenges. So this was the new user. I'll hop into a user that has put more expenses. So when the user uses it daily, they can earn more badges. Yes, as you see, this user is on a 5-day streak and can and has earned badges for his performance. So this is how the user gets motivated to track more expenses and see how it works for him. Also, there is a profile section. When the user goes to the profile section, they see their personal information as well as they can edit their monthly budget in here. Suppose it's $120, they can put the occupation, they can even change the currency. If it's euro, they can change it to euro and just save the changes. It also shows the exchange rates right here, so the user knows about the expense that he's been doing. And on logging out, it basically logs out the user. I'll show the admin side now. So from the admin side, we have full CRUD functionality. The admin dashboard allows managing categories, challenges, badges, and users. So the admin can see the list of users right here. If the admin wants, he can see the details of the users, the statistics of the users. If they even want, they can edit the name of the user. Suppose I do 123, it saves as test 123, and they want to delete the user, they can even delete the user. It shows all these filters by roles, admins. If there is one admin, the user roles. Now managing the category, if I want to add a new category, suppose I just add new category, I can create on this thing and it adds the new category. If I want to edit it, this can be edited and deleted as well. Same thing happens for the categories. Sorry, I was talking about the challenges, and now the categories, same thing happens for it. So it comes food, and if I want to delete it, it gets deleted. And similar thing for the badges. I'll say like 123. I should enter the name, suppose like this, and then delete it. So this is how the admin panel works. In summary, SpendSmart demonstrates full stack development from front-end React UI to back-end APIs and data management, along with a focus of user experience and behavioral design. This process taught me how to handle deployment pipelines, debug real-world issues, and ensure a polished final product ready for users. Thank you for watching my presentation. You can explore the GitHub repo link to my site for more details. I hope SpendSmart inspires more mindful spending habits.